When you root yourselves in Jesus' love, your marriage relationship will be a beautiful picture of his unconditional love. When you feel overwhelmed by a sense of your own inadequacy to love, remember Jesus' invitation. Remain in my love. For as you remain in his love, you will find joy indescribable as together you paint your picture of marriage.
Pressed against your eyelids, bodies dressed against the cold.
Natasha Marie. 6 years ago, I was convinced I knew what I was looking for in a partner. Boy, I had no clue. I can remember saying to my friends, I would never date a blonde. I would never date a girl who went on a mission trip with YWAM. Yet here we are. Today I stand corrected in all my assumptions, a testament that what God plans for us is greater than we could imagine on our own.
Jonathan Robert. For 6 amazing years, we have chosen each other, fought for each other, and intentionally pursued one another. I marry you with confidence, knowing that we have built a solid foundation. Today, in front of our family and friends, we choose this life of adventure together. As I stand here with you, I am in awe of the Lord's goodness. He has blessed me with immeasurably more than I have hoped and prayed for.
Swaying with the tide, squander all that's left of daylight. Your eyes staring into mine.
It isn't hard to see the many blessings God has poured out on us over these few years. There have been a ton of moments, learning and growing. We really are such different personalities, but it has been the most incredible journey to figure out all the pieces of your heart as your boyfriend and fiance, and now as your husband. Zechariah chapter 4, verse 10, it says, "Who will despise the day of small beginnings?" I hope that can be a simple reminder as we build our life together. The small things matter. And one day, all of those days of small things dedicated to God, to love, to our family, our community, they will become something so much bigger and more beautiful than we thought we could make.
To keep Christ at the center of our love, acknowledging that he is perfect love and the foundation for which our relationship flourishes. It is an honor to become your wife today, Jonathan. I pray that God will teach me to humbly serve you in our marriage, that he would equip me to be the partner and wife that you need. And above all, I pray that God would be glorified in our love and the life that we build together.
Natasha, as your husband, I promise to always love and keep you close, to pursue you with my whole heart, no matter the situation. As Christ has loved the church and dedicated his life to the point of death, I will work hard to do the same with all that I have, as we pursue a life of love and holiness together.
I vow to respect how fearfully and wonderfully different you are than me, and to embrace that God has intentionally designed us this way, knowing we would spend this life together. I love you, Jonathan Robert, and I can't wait to intimately know you, deeply love you, and faithfully pursue you all the days of my life.
I, by the power vested in me, pronounce you husband and wife.
My choice every day will be to love you wholly and unconditionally. You are my best friend, my strongest support, and now my wife. And I'm excited for everything God has in store for us. The best is yet to come.
When I walk through your door, I feel just like myself, like I don't need to be somebody else. And I get that feeling that you miss me. You know I missed you too. It's so nice to come home to you.
You both are such caring and loving and generous people. You have had your challenges in your relationship, but it is evident that you continue to walk with God and with each other through the difficulties.
I remember rumblings around town that this hip young worship band was coming to play at our church. And on Sunday morning, there at center stage, illuminated by a spotlight, stood what looked like a rock star. Wait, was that Bruno Mars? I was informed, no, even better than that, that is John Gonzalez.
I'm back